Hello everybody, I am Manpreet and today I am going to do the book discussion for The Power by Rhonda Byrne. Now this is the sequel to The Secret, which is a very popular book. It sold about 10 million copies, and The Power is the sequel, and it's basically the gist of The Secret. So whatever she discussed in Secret, all the concepts she gave you, now this book is a doing book where she just lists down everything you need to do to use The Secret, to use the power of The Secret for yourself. Okay, before I begin with the review or the discussion, I must say that a lot of people are having very negative views about this book because they think it's a stupid book which doesn't have anything, powerful enough. But I truly believe that if you're not going to apply the concepts discussed in this book, if you're not going to follow everything she says, and then you're going to say that this book is stupid, you are the most stupidest person in the world. So I have read a lot of reviews from really, really good sources, and they do that. But I tell you that I have applied these secrets and I have applied these concepts, and they had a great result in my life, in my career, in my business, in my personal life, in my professional life, everywhere. So if you want to, just know more about this book, then keep it in mind that you have to follow everything she says. Otherwise, this book is of no use to you, and this video is also of no use to you. Okay, so stop wasting your time if you are going to have those stupid perceptions and then watch this video. So the book gives you a lot of concepts, and it is just about do this, do that, do this, do that. So she doesn't explain much in the book. Now that is pretty reasonable, because you see that this book is a sequel to The Secret, where she explains everything out. So if you are reading this book, you should know that this book is just a log of what things you need to do to apply the secret in your life and to get successful in your relationships, in your life, in your career, have more money, get richer, get a better position in the society. Everything is possible, but it is just about what you need to do, why you need to do it, and the proofs about that are very minuscule or sort of thing, because they are just not there in this book. She does try to explain it, but she doesn't explain it properly. So if you are like, she didn't manage to convince me, this book is not written to convince you. This book is written to target the people who are already convinced that the secret is the real thing, that the concept of universe, the law of attraction is real, and this book is for the person who wants to apply it. So when I started reading this book, I totally believed in the law of attraction. I believed it is real, and then I just bought this book to just apply that law of attraction in my life. I applied it, and it worked really well for me. So I am going to tell you about the bit of content in this book. So she begins with the what is the power, a bit of introduction which takes you towards the secret, and then does it, and then she talks about the power of feelings, how your feelings are so powerful, and how those feelings can bring everything towards you rather than you running towards them. Okay, and then she begins with the power and creation. So it talks about the proper law of universe here, and then it tells you about the keys to the power, which is basically what you need to do. Okay, so it tells about power in money, relationships, health, you, and life, which are basically everything a person can long for, according to me. And first of all, the copy of this book is so good, you just feel great to have it in your hands, and you just feel great to have it on your bookshelf or everywhere. And then it's so to the point, I love it for that. Then there are some quotes in this book which are so good, and after every chapter, so she has these points of power which are basically the gist of every single chapter. So if you want to go through this whole book again, you particularly have to read just these ending points of the chapter, which is pretty good. So what else do I say about this book, about the discussion? So first of all, I'm doing the book discussion for the first time, and the second thing is that this book is just powerful, and there is not much to talk about this self-help book. It's a self-help book which is going to work for you for sure, but only if you're going to believe in it. And that is, I think, that is true for every single self-help book. If you're not going to believe in the person who is telling you to do something, if you're not going to accept that person as your teacher and unlearn and then learn from that teacher, that is not going to work for you. So this concept is everywhere. Okay, so in this also, you have to unlearn everything. You have to be like the person who is believing this lady, and then you have to pick up all the concepts and work them out in your life. And once you start working them out, they are really going to work for you. So overall, I would say that this book is a great one if you're willing to use it for your betterment. I was willing to use it for my betterment, and it is working for me. It's all in the process, and everything is going great. I obviously have my down points, but I always catch up by reading this book over and over again, those points to remember, or the keys to power. And yeah, this book is gonna work for you. And guys, I truly want you to read and believe in it and make it work for you, because it's going to change the way you think about your life. It's going to change the way you pursue your life, and that is really amazing. So yes, I want to keep this book discussion very short. I just wanted to address this one thing about those negative reviews which are there, and those people are writing about it, because first of all, I felt that all of them were pretty jealous that this book was not even promoted by the author, and it spread everywhere like fire. And the people who have read this book, or read The Secret, and they are thinking from the perspective like mine, they have a lot of good things to say about this book. But the other reviewers, the reviewers hate this book because they think these are useless concepts. So I would say that don't believe in those reviewers. Just believe in the person who has actually tried it, who is actually benefiting from it. And I do not have anything else to get benefited from this review, because yeah, that is there. So I would recommend it for sure. Go and read this book, apply it, and discuss about it in the comments down below, because the book discussion should be a two-way conversation, not a one-way conversation. That's what I believe. So let's discuss about this book in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you got my point about reading this book in the perfect possible manner and how this book truly is. That was grammatically incorrect, but let's finish this video over here. Thank you so much for watching. This is Manpreet signing off, and I'll be back with another book review on the next 27th. Okay, any date which has 7 in its last digit, that is when I'm going to do a book review. So bye bye.